Bakit ba ibinalik? Bakit ba sinabi ng Senate as impeachment court na wag muna natin tong dinggin? Kailangan ay ibalik natin ito. Ano ba sabi?
Pagpaliwanagin natin.
May magpapaliwanag?
Magpapaliwanag. Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano.
Ayun.
Kasi
malinaw,
parang, again nga, nirevise na kasi yung motion ni Senador Bato de la Rosa na sa halip na i-dismiss ay remand. Pakinggan natin. Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano. Ano ba paliwanag dyan?
Dismiss it today. We can remand it to the House of Representatives or pwede natin ituloy bukas. If we dismiss it today, based on the ground that it is violated the Constitution at more than once na po ito na-file in 1 year, we don't have enough time today to debate that. As the minority leader said, yes, we can take judicial notice of the dates, pero I want to see the documents. Kailan ba talaga nag-file, sino final, etc. So aabot tayo bukas and even tomorrow with 23 opinions dito. My point is, Mr. President, I cannot in conscience, as a lawyer and as a senator judge, just make that rash decision that it violated the 1 year. I mean, ngayon ko lang nalaman na pwede yan, or if we were thinking about it the last few days, pero ang Supreme Court nakailang araw na, nakailang linggo na, hindi rin nagdedesisyon pa. So, mabigat tong puntong ito. That's my appeal to Senator Bato, na mabigat desisyonan ng dismissed based on it has not been filed, that we violated the Constitution na mahigit isang beses tong final.
So ang kasi ang nauna ng sinabi ni Senador De La Rosa ay may constitutional infirmities.
Tama.
Kaya dapat i-dismiss. Ang sabi ni Senador Cayetano, mabigat kung dismissal. Ibalik na lang muna natin at ipaliwanag ng House kung nilalabag nga ba ang 1-year ban sa pagpapile ng
paghahain ng impeachment.